there you have it. Very quick and easy how to replace the front ball joints on an independent front suspension pickup truck. It's the same on basically any vehicle, like if you had a Toyota 4Runner or a Nissan Pathfinder or a Ford Explorer, Ford Ranger, it's all going to be about the same. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. I got a few more things to get started on, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But otherwise, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.